This video is sponsored by Rug Fun. Custom rugs for your game room, bedroom, and anywhere you may want to store your motorbike. Order now. Link in bio. Love you, besties. Hello.
Why did you roll up on me like that?
How was I supposed
That was
to?
scary, bro. You just can't be stopped like that. That was scary, bro.
You're the one who's chilling like that.
Is that you're chilling?
Okay. We here. Huh?
I'll follow you.
What?
I'll follow you.
Oh, you're following me? Okay.
Okay.
To be fair, I've only been here like 3 times now. Yeah, and I came here day before yesterday, night-ish. It's alright. Let's go.
Couldn't put it in.
Trying to what?
Huh?
What are you trying to what?
So I couldn't put it in.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
That's funny. We're gonna go around, we'll just go up for a bit and then come back down. My chain. Chain.
Oh fuck.
Like, good thing that we wasn't on the dual carriage. Oh, I need to.
So you need to tighten that ASAP.
Yeah, I know. I did get tightened, but I was loose again.
When did you get tightened?
Probably like almost 3 weeks ago now. Yeah, this is Deliveroo.
Oh, that's what that is, bro?
Yeah, this is Deliveroo.
No way, what the fuck?
Yeah, you can get like, or like get Zip It or Zap It or whatever it's called. All of them ones, like get your food delivered. Yeah, it's jokes. You don't see that in London. You don't know. People will rob that. People will rob it ASAP.
Oh shit.
They'll break it open. Yeah, it's cute though. It's cute. I got one delivered to me one time. Yeah, it's cute. Wait, how do you do that?
I have things. I have
Oh, you have it?
Yeah.
I don't have it. This is the life of Aprilia.
Life of an Italian bike rider.
Yeah, whenever this happens, I'm just like, yeah, this is what people are talking about. Like, this is the bullshit that people are talking about. Show you my skills. Woo! Yeah. Ghost. It's been Ghost. Gang. Met up with Ghost. It was a nice ride, nice experience.
Oh my life. Oh my god.
With these ZX6R, looks amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. I like the red. See me? I like my red. Like my red. So I like the nice little touches. Yeah, it's nice. What are these? Like if you drop it? Oh, okay.
If I lay it down, obviously someone before me, whoever owned it before, laid it down pretty roughly.
And it actually helps it.
Yeah, definitely. I think there's only like one scratch here. I don't know if that's
Okay.
it, but there's one scratch.
Because I always thought like you would have to have the cage with the big.
But obviously that helps massively, way more. Like if you just drop it, that's gonna help. But if you properly, while you're riding, slide out,
Yeah.
it's not gonna save. It's really just for like stunting, slow speed stuff.
Yeah. To be fair, I usually only ever see it on those kind of bikes anyways.
Yeah.
Page SC project.
Loud as hell. I love
Too
it.
loud.
Pops and bangs.
Too loud.
This is my
Pop,
baby.
pop, pop. Yeah, it's cool, man. Look at me with no exhaust. No exhaust. Just pure
I need
little.
to fix that, honestly.
Terrible.
Don't worry, the time will come. When the
Time will come.
When the time's right.
Look at all the scratches on there, man.
Just ready to see that. Don't should have looked at it. Chill.
No, you gotta see the hardship. You gotta see the hardship that I've been through with this
I
bike.
don't know what happened. Did they know?
Huh?
Did they know? When you slid up?
What just happened now?
No, with the slide.
No, they don't actually. I didn't, and the funny thing, I wasn't even recording then. It's just nuts. But yeah, I slid out on a roundabout. Bit nuts, but.
Did you run your gear?
Huh?
Did you run your gear?
Not really. I wasn't, but I didn't get injured that much. The only thing that happened was my thumb. That was it. I had the gloves on, had my helmet on. Oh, I had a jacket on. Not this one, but I had a jacket on. It was just trousers. But I had like a couple layers underneath anyway. So when I hit the ground, yeah, it didn't really. And I wasn't going that fast anyways. I was literally going round and roundabout, so I was going slow anyways. But yeah, that kind of happened. But we're all good. Yeah, it's loose. It is what it is. And yeah, but we're here now.
That concludes the video. I've been your boy Ghost.
Linked up with Off Track TV. More collabs on the way, for sure. Yeah.
Moving up in the world.
Yeah, moving up. But yeah, I'm gonna cut it here, so thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna be a bit more active and talk a bit more. But yeah, love guys. Remember to stay safe and happy riding. Bow bow. This video is sponsored by Rug Fun. Custom rugs for your game room, bedroom, and anywhere you may want to store your motorbike. Order now. Link in bio. Love you, besties.